So welcome back everyone. So this is another video and you are watching DriveToChill on YouTube, and in this video I am driving inside Frankfurt city in Germany, and this city is Frankfurt am Main. So please enjoy the views, and I will try to speak if something is important and cool there, so that's fine. So yeah, so this is pretty much the back side of Konstablerwache area, and I'm going to Frankfurt main train station. So yep, yeah, it's Saturday, cloudy day and winter, but not so warm, which is good. By Anlage is the place name. Please don't get confused, it's different language and places names are also sound different. And I will turn the direction to the Hauptwache and then to the main train station side. Yeah, the plan is to get some sweets and then go home or drive further, you know. On the right side is the Eschesheimer Anlage, this crossing, and on the right side is the cinema where they usually have movies in English as well, which is great, and you can enjoy the movies in the kino or cinema. Yeah, in German language, cinema you call Kino, like Keanu Reeves, Kino. And going left, making the left, and then I guess I should go straight here, which is okay. Yeah, on the left side is the Eschesheimer Tor. It's probably, you may be able to notice, it's an old tower, and those towers were used to control the area or surroundings. Back then they have these towers and to observe what is going on in this area, or if something is going wrong, you know, or new people are coming, so then they have a method to identify them, to give them permission to enter, blah blah blah, you know, these kind of things. And the same place we have now also the place called Hauptwache, and they also have the Jumeirah Hotel there. The one is we have in Dubai and other places, you know, the 7-star hotel. And this area is where the taxis are standing, or this signal is. The cross section of it, the crossing road, is called the Zeil. It's the main city bazaar or market where you can go for shopping and buy stuff you want to have, you know. The left side is the Hauptwache and Konstabler area. Also interesting thing, the right side road where you can find every expensive international brand, you know, Gucci, Boss, is there. And this road name, I think it's Goethestrasse, if I still remember correctly. So we are moving to Bahnhof direction. Yeah, it's a city center, downtown, and all the taller buildings, skyline, you know, is on these roads. You can also go some, I think 1 or 2 buildings stop. One of them is the Main Tower, and you have to buy the ticket, or in my opinion, just buy online beforehand, so you don't have to wait X longer, but you still have to wait because there's so many tourists, and then you can actually watch the Frankfurt from your own bird's eye perspective, or top of the building. I think that one is, I don't remember exactly, but it's near to 100 floors or something, yeah, plus minus, you know. On the left is the old European Central Bank building, or Bank Square, this place called, and all the buildings that are standing in this area are mainly banks. So I have to go straight and then left to the Kaiserstrasse, or probably Münchner Strasse for that, you know. Unfortunately, there is not so much sunlight today, otherwise I will be shooting a bit higher quality, and you guys have a bit better perspective, you know, better picture as well, more clear stuff, you know. But you know, action cams have a smaller sensor, and when you increase the ISO, then you have to compensate with the quality and the colors, you know. The road that goes straight, that also connects to the main train station, is the Taunusstrasse, Taunus Street, and then they have on the left, first road is the Kaiserstrasse, that is more famous, and then on the left to that is the Münchner Strasse, Münchner Road, sorry, Münchner Street. Yeah. Bro, you are green. So yeah, there's always some construction stuff going on, so it's part of the budget. I will take the next one. The guy cannot decide where he wants to go with his big, you know, car. Yep. So yeah, it's practical if you are in Frankfurt to have some sort of scooty or bicycle. If you live here, it's kind of practical most of the time, and alternatively you have really good buses, trains, and tram network, so, and underground trains, you know, so it's well connected, so you never have to look at your watch when it's the train coming or stuff like that, and you can just take anything and move on, you know. So I'm turning to the Münchner Strasse, and the good thing about this road is that it's not clean. Okay, the negative side. The positive side is there are so many international kitchens, restaurant, cuisines, you know. So you can find Pakistani, Indian, Turkish, Persian, Afghani. I guess there is no German, never seen that. It's more international food, you know. Yeah, African as well, you know. Yeah. Also the East European food, Balkan food. Yeah. Thai food, Asian food, and anything you can imagine, you know, is here. So I'm turning right to get some Pakistani sweets from the good Akmal colleague. So if it's moving, that would be the best thing, you know. So I'll stop the video, and I will thank you to all of you if you like the video, and please subscribe and also hit the like button, thumbs up, you know, and share the video if you really like it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, bye bye.